Hey everybody, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to use Shopify's customer events pixels, but I'm going to show you how to do it with Google's gtag. So what we're going to do is we're going to add gtag code instead of GTM, Google Tag Manager. The past videos were about doing all of this with Google Tag Manager using customer events code, and I guess they're also known as pixels. But this is all about using the gtag, meaning that you can do all of this without Google Tag Manager. So I'll show you. You can utilize enhanced conversions, fire a conversion tracking tag, and also implement GA4 with all of the various enhanced e-commerce events, all using one block of code in the customer events area. Now here we are. So this is my test site here. So if we go over to settings, head over to customer events, all you need to do is go to add a custom pixel. Let's call it gtag because this is the new way that we're doing it. If you choose to do it this way, clear that stuff, grab the code. I'll make this free for you, I promise. So go over here, paste it in there, and you can see at the top here, it says Google Ads ID, and then it also says conversion label, and it says GA4 ID. Well, let's go ahead and add the GA4 ID. I'll show you how you get that. So in GA4, go over to admin at the bottom. Okay, click on data streams. Click on your data stream. Click on the measurement ID. Now go back to Shopify. Replace this with your measurement ID. Now you have to get your conversion ID and label from Google Ads. So let's go ahead and do that. Here's Google Ads. Go over to goals on the left. That brings you to summary. Click on your conversion tracking tag. Click on tag setup at the bottom. Click on use Google Tag Manager. Grab the conversion ID. And then go back to Shopify. Add it here so that it's after the AW dash. And grab the label as well. So here we go. Back here. So the label pertains to the conversion action. The conversion ID pertains to the entire account. FYI. I'm going to put the label in there too. Going to hit save. Just make sure you connect it. Sometimes you have to disconnect and reconnect. Yeah, you see it's disconnected. So we're gonna connect it. Good. And now I'm gonna test it. So this has a really cool debugger as well. It's got all sorts of easy to understand language and has some cool icons too. So here it is. You can book support with me here. You can give me a tip here since I'm going to make this code free. Don't have to, but if it's helpful, consider it since we tip for everything nowadays. Okay, so here we go, page viewed. And we can also use Tag Assistant. You can enable that. Let's do that. Okay, there we go, remarketing, global site tag. I'm going to refresh. I think this might have old data. Yeah, I think it's okay. All right, let's continue. Shop products. You can see your view item list. It's passing all the details of your items. Okay, here we go. Let's buy this one. Again, page view item again. Here's all the data. Buy it now. Add to cart also fires. So does remove to cart. I made sure of this. Just going to add test data here. Okay, add shipping info. If that fires more than once, don't worry about it. We're only tracking the event once, so it's just logging every time this changes, but it's no big deal. So let's hit pay now. Add payment info. There's the purchase event that fired. Okay, GA4, conversion tracking. Good. Now here's the EM parameter. This represents a successful implementation of enhanced conversions. So there we have it. Through the gtag code, we don't even need GTM at all. We've implemented Google Ads conversion tracking with enhanced conversions. We've also implemented GA4 and enhanced e-commerce. Now there are many benefits to utilizing Google Tag Manager. But I mean, if you don't take advantage of those benefits, you don't need to implement it. One benefit is you could utilize third-party tags. So you can implement Facebook tracking, you can implement Pinterest tracking, TikTok, Snapchat, and the list goes on. Another benefit is you don't have to edit any code to make modifications to the tags on your site. Think of Google Tag Manager as a front-end interface to add new tags to your website. So if you're okay just tagging your website with GA4 and Google Ads conversion tracking, enhanced e-commerce, you want to look at all the funnel steps in GA4 and also have enhanced conversions, you want kind of like a durable measurement system, and you want to be more reliant on first-party data rather than cookies, and you want that pesky warning in Google Ads to go away, then this is pretty straightforward and I think a good approach for you. I personally am more of a Google Tag Manager fan because of the pros that I mentioned, but feel free to implement this if you want a simple solution. Okay, so there you have it. That's customer events and customer pixels. I don't know what the name is, but that is everything in one. You even have this cool debugger. Hope you like the icons. And there you go. Enjoy.